It's your motherfucking boy Triple Get 'em, man. You already know what the motherfucking deal is. What I'm doing, man, shit, I'm working. Making skits, writing scripts, writing skits, doing shit, making hits, man. Season 2 of the Triple Get 'em show, you already know, man. April 16th. Turn up, man. Sounds coming real soon, man. That's the first project produced entirely by me. So every little thing you hear on that bitch, every sound, every little ding, 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 every little ring, all that shit, everything you hear, I'm in complete control of every sound you hear on the project because I'm producing all the beats. All the beats produced by me. So, yeah, that's part of why it's called Sounds, because I'm in control of all the sounds. So, yeah, that's coming real soon, but I ain't going to tell y'all when because I don't know when. I'm working on it, and it's taking a little longer than most of my projects take to be recorded because, like I said, making all the beats. So, you know, that's that. I'm going to let y'all know when it come out, though. Once it's finished, I don't want to announce no date until it's completely ready to go and finished and all that. So, once it's finished, I'll let y'all know when that's on the way. But Season 2, I'm having a blast filming Season 2. Really fun, really funny. It's going to be a good season, man. I'm looking forward to getting that to y'all April 16th. Man, Surge is back. Go get you some Surge, man. You already know the deal. Yeah, man. I know, you know, like, I've been kind of on the low with the music tip. I ain't been putting out as much music as I usually do. And, you know, because I'm just really focused on Season 2, and I'm really focused on sounds, and I'm really focused on the album Progression, which is coming later this year. So, you know, I got some big projects coming, so, you know, I'm taking my time with it. And, you know, by this time last year, I done released about 50 songs, so I think I only put out like 15-something songs this year so far. But that's more than most artists. That's more than most artists put out. Y'all motherfuckers say y'all work and put out 5, 6 songs a year, man. Fuck you. You ain't doing shit, bro. You ain't doing shit. But anyway, I'm doing shit. And I'm going to get the fuck up out of here. So, man, Instagram at Triple Get 'em, Twitter at Triple Get 'em. You already know all the links, all that shit. But you might not, so I told you anyway. But Sounds on the way, man. Sounds coming. And then Season 2, April 16th. So, that's what I'm working on. And that's what's on the way. Progression coming later this year. That's my 4th studio album. Sounds is an album, but it ain't my 4th studio album, but it's an album. Sounds ain't no motherfucking mixtape, so don't get the shit twisted. But it ain't my 4th album. It's just like that album. But Alien Music 5, go listen to it. Legend 2, go listen to it. Turn Up 2015, don't listen to it. Yeah, I'm out, man. First single from Sounds, Purple, Green, and White. That shit's out right now. I probably ain't gonna drop another single. So, don't look for it. Because I dropped one. That's all you need. I'm done. Back to my scripts. Later.